Hi and welcome back to my Enzo channel, and today I want to teach you how if functions work in Python. If functions are, for example, if you type a specific answer and then you write the if function like if the variable equals your answer, then it will do something afterwards. And there are also more functions, but I'm going to teach you first this because that's the easiest. Name equals input. What's your name? If, be careful that after name you do a double equals, because if you do one equal, it'll give a syntax error. So if name equals Enzo, and don't forget to write the double point, then print out hello Enzo. So if I write something else like David, it'll do nothing because it's not equal to Enzo. But if I write Enzo, it'll write hello Enzo. But what happens if the user has a different name and they want to still receive a message? Well, there is a way how to do it using else functions. Under this will be a script, and this script will happen if the name is not Enzo. Then else print out hello like this. Then I could just type in Dante, hello Dante, because it will not do the hello Enzo script, so that's why it's going to go to the else function and they print out hello Dante. Or what happens if there's like somebody that always uses my computer and I know that it's not really that worth it to always have this else function. So it is worth it, but there are also other ways, like if you're sharing with some people, you can use this, elif. Elif is a script, so if your answer is not Enzo, before else there'll be an elif, because this is else and if. It comes after the if. It will go here and then after it will go here. So print out who if name equals David, then print hello David. So this will happen if name equals Enzo, hello Enzo, David, hello David, and then I don't know, Brian, hello Brian. So Now let's get back to let's start something else that you could use with the if function, like if you are comparing numbers. Entered. And then you can write if number is less is less than 10. No, I mean greater than 10, sorry. Then print out the number is bigger than 10. So if you then type a number that's higher, for example 13, right. If number is bigger than 13, bigger than 10, then you will see the number is bigger than 10. But if you write, for example, a 9, you'll do nothing. Else print type higher number, and let's see how it works. Number. I'll maybe write a 4. Type a higher number. But if I write something over 10, for example 100, the number is bigger than 10. And then I want to show you one more thing you could do with comparing. Like you could also use if the number is bigger or is bigger than 10, or the number is 10, because it says if number is bigger or equal to 10. So then when I could write the normal 10, the number is bigger than 10 or the number is 10. Okay? And one more thing I want to show you about the if functions. I'll definitely delete this. Is your name. If name is not equal to answer, then say print out hello name. So what I did here is name equals input what's your name. But if my name is not equal to Enzo, print hello name. Else print hello Enzo. Okay, and it will do actually the same as at the first part. Enzo, then hello Enzo, otherwise when you print out Dante, hello Dante, and so on. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because more videos about Python are on the way. Bye!